Hey guys, it's Courtney with Let's Craft today. And today I just wanted to get on here and kind of introduce myself and my channel. So I'm Courtney and I like to do crafts. I do a lot of paper crafts, recycled crafts and stuff like that. But I also do hair bows and crochet. I love to scrapbook and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoy crafts and you enjoy scrapbooking and things like that, then subscribe to my channel and like my videos and comment, share them. I'm trying to grow my channel. My intentions are to share my passion of crafts with everyone, or anyone who will listen anyway. I absolutely love crafts, and if I can show anyone how to do anything, then I would love to. So I have 3 girls and a boy, and I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I love to do that. I love to craft, and I made a lot of hair bows when my girls were little. They're older now. They're 11, 13, and 14, so they're not really wearing hair bows anymore, but I still like to make them because I have a 4-year-old niece, so I'll probably be doing a lot of videos on that as well. So if you guys like crafts, like I said, and you're positive, and I try to stay positive, and I hope I give off that energy in my videos. So if you guys want, then subscribe, and hopefully you'll enjoy my videos, guys. If you have any suggestions as well on any different kinds of crafts or any certain way, like maybe I can take constructive criticism, so if you have any suggestions on maybe different ways that I can do something in my videos, then let me know. I'm willing to listen. So thanks guys for your time. Bye.